Hey guys, John here, and it's giveaway time again, and this time we've got a massive bundle. Now this bundle came out of the Ox Liquidation closing down tool shop video, and it was a pretty cool video. I enjoyed it. I got loads of stuff. We've got 5 bundles, a screwdriver set, Ox Tough Work socks, a scraper, an Ox Tough Rule, which is a pretty cool, slightly different Zoll stock essentially, and then the Expert 10-in-1 scraper. And all you had to do was drop a comment on that video and make sure you subscribed. And I can see we had 756 valid comments, so let's pick our 5 winners. First up, we've got Hoveman, who says, another great video, Jonna. Great mix. Thanks very much, Hoveman. It was a pretty cool video, that one, and lots of stuff. It was like a big old mystery unboxing. Buckets and buckets of stuff, and I didn't quite know what I'd bought. I just knew I had a lot of Ox tools, but I'm glad you enjoyed it, Hove. Our second winner is 1509 Marty, who says, nice little haul, defo be on Whatnot Monday evening. Hopefully you picked up some Ox stuff. It was quite a while ago now, to be fair. Congratulations to you, Marty. Our third winner is Anton Smith, who says, absolutely smashed it with that tool haul. Love this type of video. If it was me doing this, I'd end up hoarding it all. Just keep it around, as I'm sure I'll need it all one day. It's very tempting to do that, to be fair. There's lots of tools I was like, oh, really nice 60, 70 pound trowel. I could just, you never know, I wouldn't mind doing a bit of plastering, but I had to be disciplined. I had a lot of money tied up in that tool shop buy, so I had to get it all on Whatnot. I think I kept 1 or 2 bits. I certainly have a Tough Rule in my collection, so I did keep one of those. I think I kept the lime green one, but not much else. But congratulations, Anton. Let's go for our next winner. Dean Lowe, who says, you got some canny stuff there, like Bonnie Lad. I could do with a new mud pan, just saying. Sadly, they've all gone now, Dean Lowe, but you've got some tough socks, screwdrivers, scraper, Tough Rule, and another 10-in-1 scraper. So hopefully that's as good as a mud pan. But congratulations, Dean. And let's go for our 5th and final winner. Last up, we've got Ian McDonald, who says, great haul, have a few Ox tools, getting to like them, good vids. Well, you've got a few more now, Ian, so congratulations. We'll get in touch with all 5 of our winners, we'll get your address, and we'll contact you through YouTube. So keep an eye on your notifications, and we'll send these little bundles out to you guys. But congratulations to all 5 of our winners. And don't worry if you've missed out, because we've still got a load of giveaways active on the Jonna Shown channel. So if you want to head back there, watch some of the latest videos, drop a comment, make sure you subscribe, and then you won't miss out on the next ones. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.